my name is Lillian Okibe. Welcome to episode 11 of my Vlogmas, aka my style series. So I cannot believe we made it to day 11. Like, we are almost halfway done, and I'm so happy, and I'm so excited. So yesterday I showed you guys, I took you guys along with me like throughout my full day. Like, I showed you guys everything I did to my hair throughout yesterday. So today I'm going to be doing the same, and I'll also be styling my hair. I'm going to be doing a really nice cute hairstyle. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. So today has been a really chill day. I've been home all day. Like, I've not gone anywhere. I've just been home all day, and I've not done anything to my hair. My hair is still like in the braids that you guys saw yesterday. So I just woke up, removed my satin bonnet, and I've just been walking about wearing my hair like this in this bun. So yeah, I've not done anything. I've not moisturized. I've not done anything to my hair today. Normally today will probably just end like this, but I'm going to be traveling tomorrow. I'm going to be out of town for probably a day. I'll be traveling tomorrow, so I want to like do a hairstyle that I'm going to be wearing out. I'm going to be leaving very early tomorrow. Like, whenever I want to go out the next day and I have to go out very early, I usually do my hair the night before, like the day before, mostly around this time, evening, because it's already evening. The day is almost over. It's evening. I think it's about 5 o'clock or so. So I usually do my hair the day before, just so that when I wake up the next day, in case I wake up late, my hair is already done. I can just have my bath, you know, do all, dress up and things like that, and it's not going to take so much time. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be styling my hair for the style that I will be wearing tomorrow. So yeah, my hair is still in the braids, so I'm just going to go ahead now and unravel all these braids, and then we're going to find out what style I'm going to be doing today, because I really do not know what style I'm going to be doing yet, but we'll find out, so stay tuned. So I'm done unraveling all the braids, and my hair actually feels like really soft and moisturized, so I don't need to moisturize it. It feels really good, so I'm not going to have to moisturize. Like even as I touch my hair, my hands feel moisturized after touching, so that's a huge sign that it's still moisturized and does not need any more moisture. So today, the style we're going to be doing a frohawk. Someone actually asked that I include a frohawk in my style series, so that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. I've not worn a frohawk in a very long time. I think the last time I wore a frohawk was years ago, when my hair was like way shorter than this. So I would love to see how it will look now. So I'm going to divide my hair into 3 portions, like from side to side, like 3 portions, 1, 2, 3. You can make as many sections as possible, but I'm just going to be using 3 sections. So 1 in front, 1 at the back, then 1 in the middle. I'm not going to be parting with a rattle comb, because I want to do it in such a way that the parts will not be obvious. So I hope I am able to achieve that. So we've done the first layer. Let me hold that away. Then the second layer. Where's my hair tie? Where are thou? I don't know why I keep looking for my hair tie. Like, when I come to film, I usually come prepared with all my tools ready, but every single time when I get here, I start looking for things. So 2. Now the last section at the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the back. I'll take my smaller hair tie, and then I'm just going to put that back portion in a ponytail. So I'm taking the hair tie and wrapping it, like I'm making a bun at the center of my head. So instead of bringing all my hair all through, I'll just leave it there as a bun. This is not the way most people do theirs, but I just feel like this will work better for me. So for the next layer, I'm going to do the same thing. Take a small hair tie, then I'm just going to make a bun. Take my small hair tie and just make a bun, not making the bun in such a way that I just wrap the hair tie around my hair, but I don't bring my hair out all the way, so that it will form like a roundish shape like this. So for the front layer, I'll just basically do the same thing. Take the hair. If you like comb your hair and like fluff it out, it's going to make everything bigger. So you may have like more voluminous results if you like comb out your hair, but I'm not going to do that. Wrap it around my hair without bringing my hair all the way through to form a bun. Then I just take my hands and just smooth everything in place. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Now if you want, you can make the pattern really sharp so that you have like the pattern, but for me, I think I'm even going to like cover the pattern even more. Let me just take a rat tail comb and just tease. I want it to look like there's no pattern, for it to just flow uniformly. So let me just try to see if I can cover the parts. So yeah, this is the finished look.